Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the SIM and the files you intend to share. Insert the SIM, confirm it is unlocked, and check free space in KB or MB. This matters because large files will fail. Once done, backup contacts and any critical data to a PC or cloud to avoid loss. Make sure to install the Only Way app or required driver on your device and enable USB or device debugging mode so your system can communicate directly with the SIM. You now initiate the transfer in the Only Way app. Open the app, grant permissions for storage, contacts, and SIM access so it can write to the card. Next, select the files you want and choose the share to SIM or equivalent option. Confirm each file fits per SIM slot or allocation. While transferring, monitor the progress bar, pause and resume if needed when the connection wavers. Also, make sure not to disconnect the USB or remove the SIM until the app confirms completion. You finish by verifying the files on the SIM and handling common failures. Open the Only Way app or your phone's file manager to confirm file names, sizes, and that media opens. This step proves integrity. If a transfer fails, retry with smaller batches, switch the USB cable or port, and clear temporary files before another attempt. Finally, reboot the device and reinsert the SIM to ensure the system recognizes new entries. If problems persist, repeat the smaller batch transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.